go, Jordan! Kyler's on.
Kyler's on camera. Okay, look out, boys.
I wonder what it is.
Okay, I'm going to come this way,
George,
bud.
the videographer. Make sure you capture this.
What is it? Oh, it's a cat. Nice. It's a caddy. It's a caddy.
A fatty caddy.
It's over here. What are you using, Tyler?
Bubble gum, shrimp.
Shrimp and crawler combo.
Yeah. The medley.
Hot pizza.
Put crawler on mine when I let it down.
This is a cat. Yep. I'll tell you what it is. I'll see it first. It's yellow. Come on, get it up. Hey, it's a fish. It's hard to do. Oh yeah, 99. I don't even.
Oh yeah, yeah.
What is this? Oh, this is a big fish. It's not coming off. This is a nice one.
That's the way, Kyler. Good job. Good job with the tip.
Coming up. Yeah. Oh, nice run.
He took off there, didn't he?
Yep. Yeah, he took off hard.
He
This is
took
a
off
master.
hard.
I don't want it to be a master.
Well, that's what George did there when he got close to the boat.
Well, that one where it took off underneath, eh?
Yeah, skin land on him. I can't see it. You almost have him. The weight's not even coming above.
Yeah, don't give him any slack on your line, no, buddy.
Yeah.
Reel in, keep it snug.
Wrong bent.
Let's go.
Don't rush him.
Yeah, we got all day. Unless I got a bite. Oh, no, it's in there.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's coming up, it's coming up. Oh yeah, it's a nice cat. This guy's just right. Keep horsing him. Oh, don't horse him. This guy's not as big, but he's more fat, I think. Takes another run.
Yeah, that's okay. We got all day, my boy.
I know, all man, it's too small.
Yeah, it is a little. Oh, you're right. We gotta fold them in half to get them in.
What's coming up?
You had a look at him yet?
Yeah, he's
I think he's the same size as mine or something. I think
33 and 3/4.
yeah, it's the same one. We keep catching, eh?
it might be a bit small. Like a 30 something.
Oh yeah.
Oh, he might be thick. He might be the one, boy.
He's hugging. Come on, kitty.
Come on, here, kitty, kitty.
That's a nice one. Oh. Coming up.
Tired?
Oh, that's nice. I don't think so. Pull and drag.
George, get a picture of his face there. It's frightening. He's turning red.
This is a big one. I don't know if it's a master though. It's the same as the last.
Yeah, it looks
Yeah,
both the
it's all
same.
in that same category here, I think.
It's 33 for sure. Might not be the same. Keep doing what
No
you're
slack,
doing.
boy.
Excuse me.
Get out of the way, George.
I got it. Let's make it easier.
Oh,
For the net.
that's one.
Oh, you want him right in the water. Oh, stop.
He's coming.
Now you got him. Here, kitty, kitty. Oh. Nice fish. Yes. Nice fish.
Good job, boy.
Not a master though. That's good.
That's not a master. It's a nice one. Good.
Okay, take that.
Next.
Get a picture with him.
Okay.
That guy's bleeding right beside his eye. Well, that guy's nice. I'll take the net.
Hold on, let's
That guy's fat.
Oh, you got him.
Oh.
You got
Squeeze the tail.
Wait.
Yeah, let's do it.
The nose.
Oh,
Fix the nose there.
yeah, that is.
Yeah.
There's no, I can't see the 34.
Yeah, that's Stephen
That
34
one's
and an 8.
legit.
Woo.
That bugger. You're grounded.
Okay. Yeah, nice color. I thought that one would have been smaller.